Chauffer machine nan te ouais qu'on a chauffer machine nan ouais ça chauffer machine nan courir après ça on dame te avec madame nan moi pas moi après ça on monsieur pour me mener l'hôpital là après ça l'aime te ba au téléphone pour te relais après ça l'aime venir te quand on te embrasser.
Tu vas les mettre dans ta poche. Ok? Le numéro de porte de ta maison? Ok.
Ça, pendant que tu as attendu, tout le monde a couru. On a mal gardé, mais quand la vue de ce moment, on a couru là-bas, on a couru mal.
The earthquake has caused a lot of separation of children from their parents. And what for us is important is that those children who have lost their parents, that we are gathering them, that we find them, that we are registering them, and that we are exhausting all the efforts we have to find their parents or their extended family and reunite those children back into their family. It's only when we have exhausted all the possibilities we have, then we will look into other forms of alternative care for those children, and inter-country adoption or national adoptions are options or possibilities within the alternative care.